Hey everyone, it's April from Just Say Scrap with Close to My Heart, and we are here with the brand new consultant kit. So we just had a new consultant sign up, and she was nice enough to let us borrow her box so we could show all of you out there what you will be getting if you join Close to My Heart right now. So it's really heavy, but it comes in this pretty pink box right now, and then your name will be right here. We took her name off for the liberty of her, but you will get this. And it will come in this nice pink box, so you will not have a white box waiting on your doorstep. You are going to have this pretty pink thing.
And it has lots of cute little things on the thing.
It says, whatever you make it from your heart.
And it says, open.
Please kindly deliver to, open me, and discover your creativity. So we are going to open it and discover our creativity. I don't think I can hold it up, so if you want to zoom in when I open it, you are welcome to. So this is the inside of the box when we receive it. So it is going to have this, which gives you information about the company. So it is going to have a note from Jeanette, which is super cute.
And I love the little heart cut out in the corner.
The top. It's going to have our mission statement, our story. It's going to say, display me, oh, and then you get a card decal. And then it's going to tell you just some more information about Close to My Heart. And that's our information, our beginning information. Then it's going to have a letter about welcoming you to the family. And then, here comes the fun part. So you're going to get an everyday life album, the color of the year, which this year is Bashful, so it's this beautiful pink album here. And along with that, you are also going to get this pack of goodies. So let's open it up. So they want to get you started when you become a consultant with our products and getting the product in your hands. So you're going to get one of our 2x2 blocks, a color swatch, which has every single color cardstock, and this is our double-sided two-toned cardstock. So the one side is going to be darker, then the other side is going to be lighter. You're going to get charcoal ink and some of our Petite Perk stamps. These are super cute. It says from the heart. Aren't those adorable? Then you're also going to get, oh, my favorite, the non-stick scissors. Great tool. Love it. You're going to get the new Close to My Heart adhesive runner. Ooh, isn't that cool? And then they're going to give you this stamp, which is going to help you with your customers and all that jazz.
Yep, help you build your business.
Exactly. And it's also going to give you this the current fundamentals and the current seasonal expressions B&T samplers. So you got the fundamentals here, which is all of our fundamental papers, and then the sampler of the current cardstock as well. And then, gonna keep going.
In all of this fun fluff.
We have Makeup from Your Heart Volume 3. Ooh.
I like
Ooh, what else is in
that
here?
can go into your Bashful album there.
And then they give you some cutting guides and the calendar. Oh, look at that. It is the Through the Year calendar kit. So you can make your own calendar, mark your events on it. Ooh, that's really cool. I'll put that to the side. And then you're also going to be getting the idea books, if I can find them. So you're going to be getting 5 of each idea books. So you're going to be getting the annual inspirations, and you're going to be getting the seasonal expressions. You can get 5 of these. Then you're also going to get a bunch of business stuff. So you're going to get order forms, ordering things. Oh, wow. Oh, there's more down here, too. Ooh, they're going to give you a pack of White Daisy cardstock and a bunch of other cardstocks as well to get you going. Probably to help you with the calendar and everything. So you got that. And there's even more. Oh, my gosh. There's a lot in this. And you're going to get worksheets. So these are great for when you have home parties. You can put on the table, nothing gets messy, and then write notes on the side. We actually use these all the time. So these are perfect. And that is the brand new consultant kit. So you get all of that wrapped into this tiny little box. Isn't that so cool? Well, if you have any questions about it, please feel free to ask us. We will let you know more, but that is the new consultant kit, so we hope to just see you soon joining our team.